Today, over 1 billion people worldwide still live in informal settlements with limited housing options and infrastructure. These problems are especially present rapidly in urbanizing areas where cities like Yangon, Myanmar find it extremely hard to deliver sustainable and affordable housing. Informal housing occurs when the pressures of poverty and population growth collide with the absence of low-cost housing. These communities remain vulnerable to natural disasters, poor sanitation, and health risks.
Our country Myanmar has faced a huge increase in poverty in recent years. The percentage of the population in poverty has doubled from 2017 to 2023, including almost half of the citizens in the last few years. Moreover, an additional 25% of Myanmar population are at risk. This issue doesn't stop here and is spreading across urban cities like Yangon and Mandalay. Middle-class families who used to be well-off are currently facing the risk of falling into poverty. This leads to the increase of informal settlements in urban cities of Myanmar, as people cannot afford to buy a house or rent an apartment anymore.
With the increase of climate disaster nowadays, our country Myanmar faced Typhoon Yaki in 2024, resulting in 226 deaths from massive flooding. 730,000 people needed help. Throughout the year, residents of Yangon City have reported about severe flooding and water entering their houses due to heavy rainfall across the region. So, our solution aims to solve this issue, providing a safe and affordable place to stay while integrating flood adaptation measures and real-time land strategy for modular scalable housing response.
This solution will not only protect people in informal housing from potential disasters, but it will also improve the quality of their living standards. So firstly, our monitoring system will collect data from meteorological stations, satellites, and sensors placed at rivers and dams like Lake Reservoir. In case of emergency, the system will send an immediate alert, and the control center of an area, for example, a government district office, will receive the message. Then they're gonna warn the residents using the solar-powered building alarm system of the house, which can still function even when the power is out. During the flooding, the floor of our house will rise up with the water level using the boring property of recycled plastic bottles stuffed inside the floor. In this way, we can prevent property damage and losses from flooding, which can cause a huge impact on the residents. It's also designed to be taller than ordinary houses for safety, and a ceiling window is installed for emergency escape from the roof. Besides, the wall panels submerged in the flood will open up for the water to flow through quickly, which can reduce the rise of flood waters.
For the buoyancy of the building, we use recycled materials like plastic bottles and waste to keep it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Also, the building frames are made from locally treated bamboo, which is durable, flexible, and perfect for withstanding floods and high winds. Also, the wall panels are built with composite materials, composite panels, which can provide insulations and durability, and also sealed with waterproof coating in each panel to keep everything inside secure and dry.
Let's explore how our modular house design addresses both affordability and poverty. Reinforced concrete structures account for the highest cost at $10,000 or 50% of that today, followed by steel structure at $8,000 or 40%. Our modular design, however, costs just $6,000, which is 30% less. These savings make high quality housing accessible to low-income families, enabling more individuals to afford safe, sustainable homes. By reducing construction costs, we empower communities to reinvest in education, healthcare, and livelihoods, driving a significant impact in breaking the cycle of poverty, especially in flood-prone regions like Myanmar.
While keeping sustainability in mind, if we use concrete and steel, it adapts to an embodied carbon footprint of over 6,600 kilograms of carbon dioxide. But with bamboo and composite panels, it only produces about 550 kilograms of carbon dioxide, which is nearly 12 times less than concrete and steel.
Our solution Clima Haven thoroughly supports for sustainable development goals which are no poverty, reduce inequality, sustainable cities and communities, and climate action.
This isn't just a house, it's a lifeline. Our major goal here is about protecting families, empowering communities, and building a sustainable future. Together, we can make sure that no one is left behind.
Along with our solution, we believe that we can fight poverty, inequality, and lack of preparedness for natural disaster all at once, bringing safety, security, and better quality of life to our citizens in informal settlements.